Hey there, and welcome to the Techful Things YouTube channel. Wondering how to check your watch history on Twitter, now X? It's simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Open the Twitter or X app on your smartphone and ensure you're logged into the account you want to check. Tap your profile picture at the top left corner to open a menu, then select Settings and Support, followed by Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Your Account at the top of the screen. This page will display various account-related options. To access your watch history, select Download an archive of your data. You may need to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Once verified, you'll be redirected to a page where you can request an archive of your account data. Tap Request Archive and wait for a notification that your data is ready. This process might take up to 24 hours. When notified, download the provided zip file containing your Twitter or X data. Extract the files, and you'll find your watch history along with other account details. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your watch history on Twitter or X. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.